everybody, Shannon and Karen with Wandering Out Yonder. We are at the Dune Life Nature Trail here in White Sands National Park. All right, this is just a short little trail, and there's several in the park. This is just one of the first that we've stopped at. It's really pretty cool area. So, sand dunes, but no beach. Darn it. I thought when I came over that hill, I'd see a beach. Anyway. It's just a loop trail. You don't realize how intense the sun is until you get out here in a place like this. Because the sun is reflecting off of the sand, as well as you're getting, hit from above with the sun. So sun protection is something that you should make sure you do when you come out here. Good hat. But yeah, pretty cool. And then you have the San Andres Mountains out there. Beautiful scenery. So we are kind of down in maybe the basin here between some dunes, and you can see there's a lot of life out here. A lot of grasses and different types of even cactus, I think. And then the mountains in the background. It's just really a unique area. All right, heading forward. I can feel the sand in my shoes. I think I've got 5 pounds of sand in my shoes right now. That's part of it. To the next little sign. Now they have these poles marked for the trail. They're in the sand. If you can turn around, I can show you. Like that one. And then they have these little information signs as well. They're faded out, and I imagine with the heat of the sun here, very hard to maintain. But so it helps kind of guide you through the dunes. These are the animals here in this area, the sand dune area. Many similar animals in the desert. I read something kind of cool about this little guy. He doesn't drink water. He gets all of his water from the plants out here, which I thought was kind of cool because it's dry. And we're pretty sure we saw bunny rabbit or cottontail rabbit tracks in the sand. So kind of cool to see that. So this is the end of the trail. It was just like a 1 mile loop trail. All right, guys, so we just finished the sand dune trail, I think.
Dune nature trail.
Okay,
yeah.
Nature trail. About a 1 mile loop. We did see some jackrabbit, cottontail rabbit tracks.
And I just saw an ant. That was the wildlife sightings, yeah. So.
All right, it was pretty cool, different. I mean, it's just so different.
Yeah. It's really, it's just kind of here.
Yeah.
And nothing else around it even remotely resembles this. So that's what kind of makes it unique.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for joining us, guys. We will see you later. Bye.